Hey, pretty bird. Are you watching your sister? Are you keeping her safe? There you go. Now everybody can see better. Yeah, pretty bird. Let's go ahead and turn around, huh, honey? Honey, turn around. Come on, walk this direction. Take her with you. Call her. Look at her. Follows me if it's just me. But whenever it's the kids, she's fixated on them. That's a good bird. Yes, you love your sister, huh? Pretty bird is a hybrid. She's a good girl. Hey, honey, I think you're too far. She's gonna get worried. There you go. There she is. All right, stop. Hi, pretty bird. Hi, do you want to go home? Hi, pretty. Do you want to go home now? Yeah? I've had lots of playtime. You're such a spoiled goose. Let's go home. Yeah, say bye-bye. Pretty bird, say bye-bye. Pretty bird, you say bye-bye? Okay.